Hi all, what I have here are a few parts in order to connect wires of electricity or other wires. Usually they are the old Luster Clemma type, like this, that you use screws in order to open them. But of course you have to have a screwdriver, and then we have I call it the more intelligent connectors, like we can see here. This came for HT Cell. HT Cell. I never heard of this company, but anyway, when I was searching for such connectors, I found their name. This is a kit that have many types of connectors. The difference is how many you can connect, and it goes like this. You just open the orange tab. You open it. It's very hard to open. Now it is loose, and then you connect your wire, and then you close it, and it is connected. Okay, so what we can see is that you don't need any screwdriver, and this is of course the big advantage of this kind of connector. And also you can say that they are more safe. Why they are more safe? Because you can touch the conductor material inside with your hand, because it's not touchable from the outside. So if you will connect your wire, for example, like this, and you put it and then you close it, so it is catch pretty well. I'm using a lot of force and it is connected, and you cannot touch the conductor. So we have many kinds here. You can see 5 contacts, 3 contacts, and 2 contacts, and this is of course connected between them, which means 2 contacts are connected, the 2 contacts are connected together, and here the 5 contacts are connected together, and the 3. So it depends how many conductor you need to connect together. Okay, so they're all in one. And then I bought another vendor, the Wago. I think they are both from Amazon. Yes, I bought them for Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And then this one is also the same principle. The disadvantage of this connector, of course, is the price tag, that is much more expensive than the regular. So if you're on daily basis, I don't know if you would like to use this one or to use the cheaper regular one. But if you are doing, let's say, for your home or need something for yourself, so I think it is more convenient to buy something a little more expensive, and then you're good to go. Okay, so these are the same principle exactly. You have 3 contacts all together. There are some other companies that are doing maybe 3 and 3 on the same size connector, which are not all together, but I think that these are the most, let's say, common and useful. Now, what they are writing here, if you will notice carefully, so this one is from 0.14 millimeter till 4 millimeter, and you can put a 3. Why 3? Because you have 3 connectors. So each conductor can have a wire that can be very thick, and it will still be good, and it closes it well. Let's see, I put the wire inside, you stuck it all the way, and then you close it, and it is catch pretty well, I have to admit. Very convenient way to do things. And if you are working at your home or some project or something maybe that you will disassemble later, so pretty comfortable to use this kind of connector. So you see, it didn't catch it because I didn't put it all the way in. Now it's all the way in and it is catch well, pretty well. And then you connect the other one and then the other one, and they are all connected together. You see, pretty good, I have to admit. And I have something at home to do, and I want to be let's say more convenient to me to connect them. So I will use these connectors instead using this one with the screwdriver that you need to open and close, and it's less safe because, for example, if you have a tester or something that is not isolated very well, or maybe have an isolation problem, and you touch here and by mistake you touch here with your hand, so tack, you can electrify yourself, and you don't want to do it. So of course this is much safer in terms of touching the conductors, and it works pretty well. And also here, if you will not screw your screwdriver to the end, or if you catch on the sides of the screw and not in the middle, so the wire can be loosened, and here it doesn't happen. So even in terms of quality of conductive, I found this much better. About the current, it is strange that they are not writing here the current, but probably if you will search, here they say 20 amps, so it is good till 20 amps. You just need to search for the current flow, which means how much current this connector can carry. And that's all. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.